Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Starting today's plant video with this lovely golden sedum. It has started to color up. Look at the leaves. Such a pretty plant. I just love them. This is actually the mother plant that I am showing you, a beautiful succulent. Now this is my spider plant. A view of the sky today, little bit of rain clouds here and there. Now these spider plants are very easy to grow. I just have two varieties. Now here is the wandering Jew, from where I have pinched off all the leaves which had reverted back, and this is how it looks. A cute little pot with a great display of colors on its leaves. This is variegated, and look at this, it's all white, off-white. This is how it looks after the pinching has been done by me. And now this is the pretty pink syngonium. I just love the color, and these days I am just falling in love with the syngonium, the different types of syngonium, and I plan to buy some syngoniums as soon as I get them. This is another spider plant which makes me happy all the time. Always lively, always bouncing with joy. Look at it. Now that's my ZZ plant, which I had almost lost, and now it's doing fine. When the leaves mature, it turns black. It is also called the black raven, and I try to keep the soil dry as possible. You leave it dry, the plant is going to survive. If you water it too much out of love, it is going to die. So that's my ZZ, the black ZZ. This is my variegated pothos, a beautiful plant again. I just love it. I fall in love with it each and every time I see this plant. This is my syngonium albo, which was purchased, I think it's been a month or over a month. That's the new leaf. A beautiful syngonium. And now my albo is saying, "Hello little one," to the pinky. "Hello, how are you?" So here they are placed beside each other, and they look just pretty. When the plants are happy, they grow almost anywhere. Look at it. Look at my wandering Jew. It is growing with the painted lady beside it, the big brother and the little sister. And see how happy they look. Look at the painted lady, so colorful. And the best part is they are growing in a torn and tattered pot. Now this is my Echeveria, stretching out for light because I am removing them here and there because I don't want to lose them. And I'm just waiting for September to come, keeping my fingers crossed so that I can save my succulents, although I have lost quite a lot of them. Now this is my money tree, and that's the new shoot which has turned into a plant given to me by Prakriti, my sister-in-law. This is my very first wandering Jew. So thank you my friends for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today. Be safe, be happy.